Hey, I'm Daniel, and today we are taking a look at Ekena Millwork's line of carved cabinet columns. Now, cabinet column has a couple different uses. It can go underneath a countertop to hold it up, or it can cap off and kind of decorate the end of a kitchen island. We make this product line in several different styles. Each style comes in a couple different sizes. We've got 3.5-inch ones. We've got big ones like this that are 5 inches wide. And then each one of those styles and sizes comes in several different wood species. We've got alder, cherry, maple, a lot of common wood species that are used in kitchens. One of my favorite things about this product is they're carved from actual natural wood. And what that does, it gives you those unique characteristics of wood, that wood grain pattern, the slight color variation. And that's the beauty of wood. Each piece is unique and has character. When it comes to installation, one of the things we did to make your job easier is we make these all 35 inches tall, and then we leave a nice block at the bottom and at the top, giving you plenty of room to trim down to your countertop height. When it comes to finishing these, you've got options to both paint or stain it. If you're going to paint it, go with our paint grade wood option. If you want to stain it, we've got lots of different wood to choose from. Normally, if you need a product like this, you probably need other millwork items. Stuff like crown molding, corbels, baseboard, onlays for your cabinets. So if you need anything like that, give us a call, check out our website. We've got full millwork packages with collections that match each one of these styles. But for more interesting and innovative products like this one, check out our website or give us a call.